Hey guys, Naisha here, just an average girl, and I'm gonna do a quick tech talk today. I came across this beautiful device called the ShiftCam ProGrip. Now, this is definitely different than my old grip from the Beast. They called it the Beast. It was a Beast grip, and for a time it was great. But like I said, I figured it was time for me to upgrade. I just wanted to see what it was all about, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing and take it with me during my trip. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the box looks like. It's a really gorgeous box, I have to say. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so thank you for your purchase of the ShiftCam. Hope you enjoy your gear. I most likely will. Okay, we have our instructions. And there it is. Okay, and these feel like wires in here. Yep. It is USB-C. It even comes with brackets for small phones for tight fitting. Right, this is a gorgeous case. I love it. And it has a pocket to put whatever stuff that you want to put in here, but I'm most likely not going to take the case with me. Beautiful. Now, the good thing about this device is that it fits all phones, iPhones, Androids, even my Samsung 23. And I will say this device does have some benefits. It acts like a DSLR camera, or for some, Canon or Nikon. And then of course this is where your tripod will go. On the top, they have a spot for a shoe mount that comes with the device. You can add a light, which unfortunately is sold separately, but I'm sure you could also add other devices like a microphone. All right, so here's a comparison. This is the old Beast, and I mean, this was basic, and it was great for a time. Yeah, the Beast grip, and I enjoyed, having it around. And for a moment, it kept a nice, steady smoothness, but you could definitely tell in my videos how shaky it is. We have the ShiftCam ProGrip. And you could tell there is a major difference. I mean, you still have to open it up just like this and squeeze your phone in, but here I have a more sturdier grip. And like I said, it makes you feel like you're having, a camera in your hand, because I love that it has the straps. I love that you can have, the trigger button right here. And like I said, it charges your phone. Whereas me, I always had to connect my USB to my power bank, but this is a power bank in itself. Overall, I'm really enjoying this device, especially when I go on my theme park trips. Take a look for yourself.
However, I did come across a small problem, and that was the strap. During my trip to Disney, I almost dropped my phone because the straps unraveled. So in the meantime, I am actively looking for straps that will not only fit the camera, but also is sturdy enough to prevent it from loosening up. The cost of this device, of course, isn't budget saving, as you can find it on Amazon for $149. But if you're still interested in purchasing the device, I'll leave a link below in the description. If you have the ShiftCam ProGrip, tell me what you think. Was it a benefit to you, or did you find this a waste of time and money? Please leave a comment below. Thanks again, guys. This is Naisha, and I'm just an average girl. Stay tuned.